This is a triangle. Now, you've probably learned that the angle sum of a triangle is 180 degrees, and we can easily test this by altering each of the sides of this triangle here. But no matter what we do, we still seem to get a triangle with an angle sum of 180 degrees. It's as if there's a law ingrained into our world. But if this is a law, then we can find the answer to the biggest questions about our universe just by breaking it. Now, if you don't already know, then this isn't actually a law. Rather, we can think of the angle sum of a triangle being relative to the surface we draw it on. Since we always see triangles on a flat 2D surface, we see that the angle sum is 180 degrees, but we can get a different angle sum just by changing the surface we draw it on. Now, to answer questions about the universe, we're going to be looking at three main surfaces: positively curved, negatively curved, and flat. On a positively curved surface, the angle sum of a triangle would be greater than 180 degrees, and this is due to the curvature of the surface itself. On a negatively curved surface, due to the same logic, the angle sum of a triangle would be less than 180 degrees. On a flat surface, it would be 180 degrees. Now note here that the lines themselves are not curved, they are all straight. Rather, it's the surface itself that's curved that's causing the angle sum to change. Now, scientists used this same reasoning and applied it to our universe. So you can think of the universe being a whole surface, and we can measure the shape of that surface using triangles. Now, scientists did this with the triangles and various other tests and found that our universe is flat to a 0.4% margin of error. And it just goes to show that some of the biggest problems about our universe can be solved with some simple geometrical thinking.